What's up? What's up? What's up? This your boy Zeke Dog, and I'm back with another video. So it's looking a little different this time. I'm starting out already working, but I wanted to try out some different editing techniques. So hoping y'all liking it. Now, your boy trying to get bagged up under this trailer. It's muddy out here. It's wet. It's about to get wetter. But, you know, hey, that's what I do. Boy, it's always something. So I walk around, I do my trailer inspection. Guess what? My lights ain't blinking on this side. My lights on this side is not blinking. So what I'm gonna do is let me try unplugging this and plugging it back up. Alright, I got a marker light, but this is supposed to be blinking for my back light right here is supposed to be blinking. So I'm gonna call Prime and see if there's a fix for it, man, because last thing I need to do is be out here jacked up because my lights ain't working. So let me figure something out right quick. All right, your boy Zeke Dog went ahead and strapped everything down, man. I ain't gonna lie, man, this rain started coming down so bad, the wind started blowing. This tarp was in the air like a kite. It was just flying in the air. I'm holding one end, holding on to it, and all I'm doing is just holding. I'm like, eventually this wind gonna give up just enough for me to put a bungee on it. And I'm just holding it, and finding the wind died down for a second, grab that bungee, strap it on. I make it look easy. I promise you it ain't. I thought this was gonna be an easy load, man. This load to whoop my butt. It's the weather that really to whoop my butt. It ain't the load itself. So now I still gotta call Prime and see what they want to do about the light being out on this trailer, because we need to get that fixed. So let me try to make this call. So we are at the Love's Truck Tire Care. I had talked to my what do you call it, roadside, yeah. And the roadside basically told me take it to the Love's, the TA, or Petro. And this was the first one that I found. So I was like, all right, cool. I came in, and I've never had to come to one of the shops before. So far, the energy has been pretty good over here. I told them what was going on. Told them I'm with Prime, and we're gonna make the rest happen. All right, dog team, this is the next morning. It's actually got snow flurries out here. I don't know if y'all can tell. Looks like they're building new storage units back there. So I'm trying to get this tarp off this load right quick, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, this was a pretty cold morning, and I slept here the night before. Nobody was out here, which was cool. It was quiet. I wake up with a knock on the door. Hey man, you ready to get unloaded? You absolutely right. I'm ready to get unloaded. So I got out, I started pulling on the tarps, man. They were wet, and the water makes the tarp feel heavier. So I was like, you know what? I don't even want to throw it on the ground. I just want to slide it forward, because there's enough room on my deck to where I don't have to throw it on the ground. So that was my plan. And also the truck over there in the red, he needed to get unloaded after me. So I wasn't trying to have too much stuff down on the ground in a way. But the little bit of stuff that I did have on the back of this truck, it unloaded real quick. I got all the straps off, and I even had a little help from some of the guys that were going to be working there on the site. I started unloosening with an ing on it, unloosening the straps, And man, they started pulling them out the way for me. I'm like, shoot, man, I appreciate that. So this little Bobcat, man, it made the work real easy. And the stuff was light. I think this load didn't even weigh like 7,000 pounds. So and only took up like half the trailer. So real easy, light load. My tarp, I rolled it forward, threw a strap over that baby, and I was like, all right, that's all I need to do with this baby. All right, man. Your boy Zeke Dog pretty much got everything wrapped up, man. It really was a quick load. You know, I be liking to show y'all more stuff, so I'm hoping y'all liking the like time lapse speed through the delivery process, cause man, I ain't gonna lie, it can take a long time. But if you look, man, it's so gray out here. Man, it's a great day, baby. So I'm about to get up out of here, man. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the Dog team. So until the next time, baby, keep it trucking.